Markets are in limbo. Which way will they break? Up or down? So we're still waiting, and yeah, that's where we are. The markets are about as exciting as watching paint dry, but this is not the time to get impatient. As much as I'd love to jump into a trade just to feel productive, I do know better, and all my traders know better. So waiting for the right entry, it beats chasing the wrong one. So let's take a look at the charts while we sip on our tea and pretend to be Zen masters of market patience. Remember to stay tuned right to the end, where we'll go through a fun and quirky fact about the stock market. There's an old rule in the world of the markets, and that is that the markets will move eventually. The only thing that we don't know and is uncertain, and that's the thing that I have learned, is when these things are going to move. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. It's going to be sometime, possibly soon. Now, as we're not really seeing any huge movement since the last updates, the scenarios remain the same. I'm looking for a break above the bullish trigger, and we can call that a breakout, or we can look for scenario number 2, which would be a break back into the range or a range reverse, depending on how it unfolds. So essentially, that's what I'm waiting for. Those two scenarios, bullish or bearish, and again, just waiting for that opportunity to unfold. So why forcing a trade is a losing game? So let's be honest, waiting is boring. But what's worse is jumping into a trade just because you're impatient and then watching it immediately go against you. And every trader at some point has thought, it looks like it's going to move, maybe I should get in early. No. I don't want to miss the move. You won't if you follow the trading plan. Other traders are jumping in, should I? No, they're probably wrong. They don't know your system. So the right trade at the wrong time is still the wrong trade. So stay patient, wait for confirmation, and don't trade out of boredom. Trade because the setup is 100% valid. So here's a fun little fact. The stock market used to take 5 months to process a trade before the 1970s. Now it happens in milliseconds, and traders still struggle to wait a few hours for the right setup. So the big lesson, patience is the theme of today. Patience has always been a trader's best tool, and that's the thing that has never changed. Are you tired of watching the charts all day? What if you could trade SPX options in just minutes per day with a system that actually works? 100% mechanical and rule-based, no emotions, just results. There's no trend chasing, it's just one chart, one setup, one strategy. We're trading for income without stress. We don't need to be right on direction. So traders using this SPX income system are seeing real results now. So no more guesswork. Click below and start trading smarter today. And you can watch a complimentary training where I outline one of my favorite money making patterns for you to get started. So click the link and I will see you over there.